Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the Daredevil series, cars 1 through 5. First up, we have a 1970s Chevelle SS wagon in a bright red. It's so cool, this red. So here we are, just ripping it out of the box. Look at the decals. It's so cool, and those different color tires on the front there, sort of a white cream color versus the black on the back. Really, so cool, this little station wagon. Also comes in a blue for this series. So up next we have the Fiat 500. Such a little car, this baby car. Ripping into it there. Oops. So this one's got big, huge wheels compared to the size of the car, and the detail on the inside is just so cool. It's like a matte bronze color, that car. Next up, we have the Hot Wheels 450F. It's a motorcycle. Looks like almost like a dirt bike to me. It's pretty cool. Lots of chrome, big wheels. I'm not a fan of motorbikes, but it's part of the series, so we opened it up. Next is Mad Props. It's green and orange. Again, I'm not a big fan of non-cars Hot Wheels, but part of the series, so we opened it up. So it's got that purple propeller on the front there, a whole heap of chrome. Not much decals on this one, but it's still a cool little car. Plain. And last, we have the Rally Cat. This is a Hot Wheels original design. It's got a fair bit of plastic on it, this car. Like the whole bottom is plastic. Didn't really like the feel of it, but it's still a cool car. I reckon it's going to be fast on the track. So it's in white there with gold sort of tires and orange windows. So there you have the Daredevils series opened. Big thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Subscribe so you can see up close detail of all these vehicles in the Hot Wheels garage. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.